Welcome students to the new video of English in which you will learn how to change sentences written in present tense into past tense. It appears to be very easy, but few things you have to keep in mind while changing from present into past tense. Let's see with the help of examples. He arrives late. This is the first example I'm taking for you. He arrives late. Select the verb and the verb will be clearly in the present tense. So the word arrived is the past tense of the word arrives. The only thing you have to do is to replace the verb in the present tense into past with the past tense word. You have to make it, remember one thing here, that the verb which ends in E need not have a repetition of the letter E, but only D will be added at the end of the word. So arrives, arrived. She dances happily. She danced happily. Here also you have the word dance which ends in the letter E. So only D will be added. In maximum number of verbs, the letters ED are added to change the verbs from present into past. The postman brings the letters. Here you see the word bring. It has a totally different kind of a verb. You have to remember the past form of the word bring. It is brought. So we write, the postman brought the letters. My mother cuts the fruits. Few words are there, children, which have the same form in the present, past and past participle. And one of the word is cut. My mother cuts the fruits. The form will not change. The form of writing, the spelling will not change, though the idea will change. So the past tense remains the same. My mother cut the fruit. What is the difference that you find here? The difference is that in present tense, if the subject is singular, mother, so the word, action word has S added to itself. Cuts is the word here. But when we change to past, there is no S. The S gets omitted. The mother cut the fruits. This is the past. Birds fly to their nests. Birds flew to their nests. Fly, flew. The spelling changes here. You have to remember the spelling as well. The man falls off the horse. What changes here, children? In few action words, you can see, you will mark that if there is a vowel present in the spelling, the vowel in the spelling changes. Like here, falls becomes fell in past. The man falls off the horse. The man fell off the horse. The letter A, the vowel A in falls changes to E. Cats drink milk. Here also the same thing you can see. The word drink has an I in the spelling and the letter I changes to A, making it past. Cats drank milk. They put the books on the shelf. We have already discussed this point that few words are there as cut, which do not change the form while changing from present into past. The form, the letter, the spelling remains the same. And here in the question number 4, you can see my mother cuts, because cuts is written because mother subject is singular. While in this example, they put the books on the shelf. They, subject is plural. So the word, action word put has no S added to it. This is the rule, of course. I hope you remember the rule. They put the books on the shelf and the past remains the same. Spelling remains the same. They put the books on the shelf. And this is in the sense of past. Please remember the rules and please learn the spellings of all the past tense of action words. Revise well. Thank you.